Nofi hello in a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. Today we are going to talk about impersonal verbs. Impersonal verbs are verbs that you can consider it as a should, as a subject for it. For example, hoti roy, it's must for me or I should do so. Hoti rock, you should or it's must for you. Hoti ro, hoti rof, hoti ros, hoti ron, hoti roten, hoti ro. Is she, it means it's appropriate. Is sheni, it's appropriate for me or I must do so. Is shenak, is shene, is shenaf, is shenas, is shenan, is shenoten, is sheno. Ebrebi ni, it's appropriate for me. Ebrebi nak, ebrebi ne, ebrebi naf, ebrebi nas, ebrebi nan, ebrebi noten, ebrebi no. We have some other verbs like erhim, to say it's hot, ergaf, it's cold, monmain, earthquake, ersit brig, lightning, charavai, it means to make thunder, moon ho, it means to rain. We can conjugate it as following: es erhim, es ergaf, es monmain, es erset brig, es ercharavai, es monho. It means it's hot, it's cold, it's shaking, it's making lightning, it's making thunder, it's raining. You can find today's lecture on YouTube CEC channel on the following address, and you can find it in English archive.org/details/CEC Coptic Educational, and in Arabic archive.org/details/Coptic Education channel. You can find also the fonts used in the same sites, and you can find the archive.org/details/Coptic language, some documents and fonts used for Coptic language. Thanks, chatting over routine can voice until seeing you in next lesson.